Hi, welcome to our Excel MVP cheat sheet. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get the most out of this cheat sheet and the multiple free resources and downloads that are available through it. So this is a list of who we believe to be 85 of the best Excel experts on the internet. And as I mentioned, they offer so many free things, including dashboards, templates, add-ons, downloads, and just generally good tutorials that teach you. So as you see here in column G, I have the site links, and with the site short names. If you want to see the detailed URL, you can go to column Q. So if you click on those, it'll take you to each respective site. And then you'll see a few more columns here, each with like the social media icons that illustrate. So these 46 YouTube channels. So if you prefer to follow along via video tutorials, just click on one of those and you can go follow along. The social media links are also a bit further to the right: LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, X, and all of those. If you want a little bit more social discussions, one can follow along that way. So if you take a quick, for example, let's check what PK has to offer. Take 1 second. There you have PK. So you can see straight away at the onset, immediately, a whole lot of downloads he's offering over here, from checklists to dashboards, Excel, KPIs, all of those kind of things. So as I said, these guys offer a lot of free things. So the other interesting thing that I've added is a categorization column. You can see I've added color-coded categories, and I've represented that via a word cloud on the left. So 80 of the 85 guys I'm saying are Excel, because they're Excel MVPs, of course. So others will probably be just coding guys if I didn't put them down as Excel. And you can see there's some 14 sites that have got a lot of Excel add-ins, for example. 7 sites in particularly good with dashboards. And the one we just clicked on, PK dashboards, we saw. So you can browse around for some excellent ideas that they have in Excel, or for some general research. So I've rounded that up with a custom search engine, which you can click on over here, which will just search these 85 experts and their YouTube channels and also all their social media channels. And so you can focus a little bit more on whatever topic you want to have a look at. So let's give a quick try. I'll click on that and we'll go to the search engine. So let's perhaps look in some ifs across, let's say, yes, let's go multiple sheets in Excel. Let's have a look. And there we go. You get quite a quick result there. And you can see Chandu's done a lot of that. Exceljet's got that in there, give you a formula approach. And it mentions a few things like some product and things like that. So that will help hopefully narrow down a few of your more difficult searches and go through just the best. Because it isn't just that they're very good at explaining. So hopefully that'll be of great value to you. So I hope you get the most out of this list. So the link to the article and of course the spreadsheet is in the comments below. And of course, if you like this video, please click like and do subscribe. And I'll be very interested in your comments. If there's any other expert that I've not included in here, which you think I should add, please feel free to let us know that. And we'll be happy to add that. So thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.